Okay, jump ball. First ball, nakuha ng Dark. 2 points for Russell. Suwaki. Tumayari. Euro step. Sayang. Rebound ng Dark. Here comes Russell. Ay, muntik magaw. Same ball. Si ano doon Chris Paul. Mayari. Ikot ang bola. Punta sa corner. Mayari. Ikot sa kabila. Francis Villasoto. Uy, turnover. White ball. Yan. Wala. Wala si White Boy. Number 24, 2 points for number 24, Sevilla. Ito si Chris Paul ulit, tsaka si Russell Westbrook. Chris Paul, umatake. Foul! There's a foul. 2 free throws for number 44. First shot is good. Score natin 8-4. Ay, 6-4 pala. Second throw. Uy, sure ball sa free throw yun Time remaining 8 minutes. 11 seconds. Mayari, hinahalas sa backcourt. Turnover. Okay, Russell. Chris Paul, pasa sa loob. Wala. Rebound. Agawan sa bola. Sablay. Oh, out of bounds. Si number 44. Bigay kay Russell. Russell to Chris Paul. Wala. 7 minutes, 25 seconds sa first quarter. Kobe, 2 points for Sevilla. Russell, hinaharas. Russell making his move. Double team. 2 points. Wala. And there's a foul. Sideline inbound. Okay. Tara si Russell. Point guard ng Dark Team. Binigyan ng screen ni Chris Paul. Pinasa kay... Oy! Nice steal. Nice steal ni Jamoran. Mayari, pass inside. Gandang pasa. Sayang. Chris Paul. Pass break pass. Nagaw. Here's Mayari for 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Here comes Russell. Russell guarded by Mayari. Swings the ball to the corner. Back to Russell. 9 seconds to shoot. Chris Paul. 44. Euro step. Sablay. Here's number 8. 2 points for Chris Paul. Score natin, 9-6. Here's number 7. Drop pass inside. Fade away. Uy, parehong fade away, parehong supply. 2 points for White. Here comes Dark. Russell with a shot. Wala pa rin. Up, there's a foul. Here comes Dark. Eto na. Si John. Johnny. Jamara Purdue! Wow! Sayang! Good shot. Here comes Sevilla. Wala. Si Johnny. Bringing the ball down. Uy! What was inside? 2 points! Here comes Gomez. Pass. 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni number 23. Dala-dala na naman ni Johnny ang bola.
Lalim!
Up. 3 seconds. 3-second violation. Gomez. Hinaharas ni Johnny. Gomez calling. Uy, good pass kay Kobe. Uy, sayang, turnover. Ito na si Gomez. Inagawan ni John Amores. John Amores. Gomez. All the way.
Uli.
Jamorant. Pass the ball. 2 points for number 23. Gomez, harassed by Johnny. Uy, what a screen. John gumamit ng screen. Pass to Sevilla. Pass inside. Nako, hindi nakatingin. Kicks out. Go Dark.
Captain!
2 minutes remaining.
Tira!
Jamora for 2. Wala. Rebound. White.
Ako!
Here's Gomez. To Sevilla. White ball. Last touch by Johnny. For 3. Sobra. 1 minute, 46 seconds. Number 23. Pass the ball inside. Good fake. Wow, what a move. 2 points. Up and under yun.
Score.
Sevilla. Up. 2 points. Basket counts for Sevilla. Bonus free throw for number 24, Kobe. First throw. Bonus. Last na pala yan. Wala. Rebound. Brielle. Pastor. 2 points. Word Pastor. Yun, no? One minute, 8 seconds. Jamoran for 2. Sayang. Gomez, tumatakbo. Pass the ball. Uy, nagaw. Good pass inside. Number 23.
Steph Curry.
42 seconds. Brielle takes the shot. Rebound. 2 points. Steal. Uy, sayang.
Hey! Baba!
14 seconds.
Uli! Charot!
Two points. Wala. Number 23. 2 points. Back to the ball game. Ito na, si Mayari. Tuwaki. What a shot. Number 44 to Chris Paul, out of bounds. Tara, si Waki Boy. Uy, behind the back pass. Hezi, thinking about the 3. Bang! 3! Russell Westbrook. Binabantayan ni Hezi. Uy, hinaharas, inagawan nila. Ayan na. Ezekiel Mayari. Pangiti-ngiti pa yan. Uy, nakagaw din. Nakagaw ba ulit? 44. Uy! There's a foul. Sideline inbound. Si Chris Paul ang maglalabas. Pinasa kay Anthony Davis. 2 points. Mayari. Ito na si Waki. Waki goes for the 2 points. Rebound. And Dark. Uy. Pushing foul. Dark ball. Uy. Traveling. Mayari, pinag-isipan. 3! Titingin dito. Here comes Russell. To Anthony Davis. Back to Russell Westbrook. Same ball. Anthony Davis, na-rebound. Ni Luka Doncic. Luka Doncic! 2 points! Russell, pinabantayan. Natapik ang bola. Number 44. Number 23. Cruz. Wala. Chris Paul with a rebound. Boy, what a fake! Sayang! Here comes Gomez. Will he go all the way? Rebound. 2 points for White. Chris Paul, binabaten Ezi. Chris Paul goes all the way for 2 points. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Our score, 25-26. Lamang na ang White. Uy! Ezi, nagawa ng bola. Up. Good ball, Russell with the ball. Uy, nagawa ni Gomez. Pass to Sevilla. 2 points for Sevilla. Here comes Dart. Tumingin pa. Rebound by Mayari. Kicks the ball out. Umipit ang bola. Yan na, si Chris Paul. Uy, traveling. Ito, si Mayari. Pass to the corner to Sevilla. 2 points for Sevilla. Lamang na ng 5 ang White. Chris Paul to the corner for 3. Uy. Pati yung camera na pick. White for 3. Bang! 3 points. Russell, babawi. Wala. Gomez goes all the way. And there's a foul. 2 free throws for Gomez. First throw is no good. Last throw. Wala. Rebound ng Dark. Chris Paul nagmamadali. 2 points.
Pag na-shoot ulit.
Mayari, guarded by number 44. Uy, pressured. Ganda ng depensa dun, ha? Waki! Here comes number 44 for 3. Time out. Both teams. Sa ating second quarter. White ball. White ball. Okay, here comes White. Pinipressure na ng Dark. Brielle with the ball. Munting maagawan. Brielle goes all the way. 2 points for Pastor. Ito na si John, nag-aamok. Johnny. Jamarant. Uy, sayang. Full court pressure ang ina-apply ng Dark. Humahabol sila sa score. Pinipressure nila itong White. White team to 44. 2 points for number 44. Cruz. Okay, nararatel dito ang white team. Gomez for 2. Rebound Johnny. Johnny running with the ball. Ang gandang pasa sa kalaban. Black ball. Chris Paul. Floater. 2 points. 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Sevilla to Gomez. Steal by Johnny. Spot a spin. 2 points for Cruz. Grabe yung press break ng Turk. Briel goes all the way. Basket. 2 points for Briel. Bonus free throw for number 32, Briel Pastor. Hey, isang tira lang to, guys. Bonus throw. Miss. Uy, rebound pa rin ng White. For 2. Black ball. Eto na si Cruz. Finds Jamorant. Steal. Gomez. Pass to Sevilla. Sevilla again. Oh, same ball. Dark ball. Backward.
White.
Number 23. To Cruz. 2 points for Cruz. Gomez. Nailusot ang bola. Briel. Naagaw. Johnny to Chris Paul. And there's a foul. 2 free throws for Chris Paul. Short. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Sablay. Rebound ng White. Here comes Gomez. To Sevilla. Uy, Kobe! Offensive rebound, wala. Cruz, agawan sa bola. Jump ball. Up, there's a foul. Here comes Cruz. Uy! And there's a foul. First throw. No good. One minute 38 seconds sa second quarter. Second throw is good. Briel has the ball again. He lost it. Johnny. Cruz. 2 points. Cruz. Sevilla. Chris Paul. To Johnny to Chris Paul. 23. Wala. Chris Paul, wala pa rin. Agawan sa bola. Nakanino. Cruz makes the 2 points. Sevilla to Gomez. There's a foul. Too much pressure. 59 seconds. 43, 37. Lamang ng Dark. Ay, naagaw ni Chris Paul. What a block! What a defense! Sevilla dribbling the ball. Goes all the way. Na-rebound ni Briel. Wala. Rebound. Dark. Here comes Dark. To Jan. To Chris Paul. 2 points. 35 seconds.
Hindi ko alam siya.
Here comes White. Briel, Pastor. Passes the ball. Wala. Johnny with the ball. Uy. Chris Paul. Wala. 13 seconds. Up. There's a foul. 11 seconds remaining. Sa second. Ito na yung White. Briel. Briel. 2. Fast break. 2 points. Okay, let's go. Third quarter. Hezi. Binabantayan ni Russell. Cutter. Foul. 2 free throws for Waki. First throw. Pasok. Nag-shooting na. Pumasok na eh. Second throw. Sablay. Yan na, itawid na yung bola. Chris Paul. To Russell. Wala. Oop. Out of bounds. White ball. Hezi. Pass first na si Hezi ngayon ah. Uy, nalaglag ang bola. Tapikan. Russell. To Chris Paul. Traveling na yung mga ganong move. Hezi. Yan na. Gumagalaw na si Hezi. Pass first. Tapikan. Takes the 3. Bang! 3. Takbong nakashoot. Russell. Bumawi. 3. Papaula na ng 3. Waki. Siyempre, siya din. Malamig si Waki ngayon. Chris Paul to Russell. 2 points. Russell Westbrook. Score natin, 41-52 in favor of Dark. Hezi thinking about it. Floater. Tapikan. Mayari. Waki, susubok. Malamig talaga. Chris Paul to Russell. 2 points for Russell. Lumalaki na yung lamang ng Dark dito ha. Hindi na nakaka-score ang White. White, kung gusto nyo mag-timeout, sabihan nyo lang ako ha. Mayari. Gets a screen. He takes it. Oh, air ball. Chris Paul with a move. Same ball. Two points. Here comes number 23. There's a foul. Here comes number 23. Boy! Blocking foul. Offensive foul. Hezi. Ayan na. Ayaw talaga magpakita ni Hezi. Waki! And there's a foul. 2 free throws for Ilya Soto. First throw. Pasok. Pumapawi naman sa free throw. Second throw. Short. Uy, na-rebound ng White. Agawan sa bola. Sinong magwawagi? Si Waki. Ang nagwagi. He takes it. Bang! 3! Russell. To Chris Paul. Nakagaw ni Brielle. Mayari. He's on the run. Passes to Bowie. Sayang yun. Not counted. Traveling. Ito na. Si Chris Paul. Guarded by number 20. Uy. Grabe yung pasa sa loob. Fake shot. Up. Double dribble. 5 minutes, 35 seconds.
Pag pumasok,
Mayari. Eto na, si Mayari. Pakita na. Nakagawa ng bola. Chris Paul is on the run. Behind the back. Russell. Chris Paul to Russell. Takes the three. Missed. 2 points. Eto si Mayari. To Brielle. Sablay, John with the rebound. Passes to Cruz. Si Cruz ngayon ang point guard ng Dark. Number 23. Kobe. Up. White ball. Tama ba? Ay, dark ball. White ball. White ball. Mayari. Ayan na. Pinipressure na naman ni Johnny. Hindi mo mapapressure yan si Hezi. Mahirap yung pressure yan. Uy! Natapik ka ni Cruz. Oop. Mayari takes the three. Three for Mayari. Si Cruz, binabantayan. Here comes Johnny. Johnny, ikaw ang na-pressure ngayon, Johnny. Jamarant. 2 points for number 23. 4 minutes, 12 seconds. Mayari. Mainit to sa tres eh. Sinabayan pa ni Johnny. Here comes Cruz. 2 points for Johnny. Score natin 50-62 in favor of Dark. Mayari. He has the ball. Pressured by Cruz. Shakes the ball to Sevilla. Rebound and Dark. 3 minutes, 33 seconds. Here comes Cruz. Cruz. Number 23 for 3. Wala. Sayang. Here comes Mayari. He takes the 3. Wala din. Here comes Cruz. To John. Inside pass. Anthony Davis. Wala. Sevilla. Umangat. Wala. 2 minutes 43 seconds. Johnny. Wala. Brian with the rebound. Here we go. Wala pa rin. Dark ball. Briel! 2 points for Briel Pastor. Here comes John. Uy, nagpapakita ng dribbling skills to ah. Agawang ka dyan. Uy, pwede na to ah. Pang 10 under. Anthony Davis.
Ay.
Uy, naiwan. Mayari. To Sevilla. Sevilla, umangat. Rebound ni Anthony Davis. Siya naman ang pinressure ngayon. Tinawid ang bola. Nako. Turnover. Sevilla. 2 points for Sevilla. Here comes Cruz. Same ball. Johnny. Johnny. Pass the ball. What a pass. Grabing pasa yan, no? 2 points for Dark. Here comes White Team. Mayari. 57 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Uy. Uy. Nagaw. Successful. Eso Mablay. Cruz with the rebound. Up. There's a foul. Here comes Dark. Dark. Johnny. Pass to the wing. Cruz. Brial with the rebound. Mayari with the ball. Will he go for the 2 points? Wala. Cruz with the rebound. Hinahabol ni Mayari. Cruz all the way. And there's a foul. Cruz. Pasok ang unang free throw. Second free throw. Pasok. 16 seconds. Uy. Alam mo ha? Good pass. Supply, sayang. Susubukan, habulin ng white team. Nag-araw sila. Mahirap to. Nagtanib yung dalawa eh. Johnny! Passes to the corner. Russell! Wala! Rebound! And there's a foul. 2 free throws. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Wala. Rebound by Mayari. Mayari to De Los Santos. To Gomez. Sayang. Gomez gets the ball back. Agawan sa bola. Chris Paul nagwagi kay John Amores. 2 points. Johnny. De Los Santos. Boy Bagsik to Gomez. 2 points. 9 minutes, 18 seconds sa fourth. Binibreak nila yung press. Na-break ni Chris Paul. Uy, good pass. Good pass inside. What a shot! 2 points.
Rebound kami. Big man.
Bumipensa kayo, White, kung gusto nyong humabol. Here comes Chief. Chief. To Waki. Takes the 3. Attacks the ball inside. 2 points for Waki. Johnny. And traveling. 8 minutes, 31 seconds.
Box 1.
Gomez. 24 for 2. Supply. Oy, traveling. 15 ang hinahabol ng White de Los Santos. To Gomez. Gomez. To number 24. Back to Gomez. Gomez kicks out. Waki for 3. Rebound Dark. Johnny. Bringing the ball up. Line ball. Hezi. To Gomez. Richard. Gomez for 2. Wala. Turnover. Hindi makahabol ang White. Chris ball for 2. Ito na. Tingnan natin kung mag-iinit si Chief. Turnover. Chris Paul. Tinatrap. Uy, successful ang depensa doon. Turnover. Chief. Chief, umatake, floater. 2 points for Chief. 6 minutes, 45. Line ball. Uy, what a pass. 2 points for Waki. Quick to yun, ha. Nakaisa yung White doon. O, depensa lang yan.
Yes.
2 points for Russell. Chief, Tumayari for 3. Rebound Russell. Short. Gomez with a steal. Gomez out of the way. 2 points for Gomez. Jamorant. Agawan sa bola. Waki. Chief for 3. Short. Waki with the rebound. Ay daw. Chief for 3. Short. Chief got the rebound for 2. Chief de Los Santos. Five minutes, 12 seconds. Jan, nakagawa ng bola. Waki, 2 points. Time out. Tara, si Cruz. Uy, there's a foul. 2 free throws for Cruz. First free throw for Cruz is good. So, angat ulit sa 12 ang inahabol ng White. Second free throw. It's no good. Here comes Chief. Chief on the run. Pass to Sevilla. 2 points for Sevilla. 10 na lang. Chris Paul. Pass to Cruz. No good. Gomez with the rebound. To Sevilla. No good. Agawan agawan sa bola. Nakuha ng dart. There's a fall. Traveling. De Los Santos. May bababa sa 8 ang lamang ng dart. Briel. De Los Santos. To Gomez. Wala. Agawan sa bola. Nakuha ng dart. Here comes Cruz. Tinapik ang bola. De Los Santos wins the ball. For 2. Wala. Sevilla. Tabek. Wala. Here comes Cruz. Cruz to number 23. 2 points for number 23. Briel. Briel. Will he go all the way? Eight-second violation. Chief Gomez to Chief for 2 points for De Los Santos. Cruz goes all the way. There's a foul. First free throw is good for Cruz.
Timeout. Pasok na.
Second free throw, pasok! Yes. Pass to Sevilla, naagawan ni Chris Paul. 2 points for Cruz. Two points for Cruz.
Kasi ano na lang,
Technical free throw. Pumasok. Sevilla, naagawang bola. Here comes Cruz, sinabayan ni Chip. 2 points. De Los Santos goes all the way. Rebound. Agawan sa bola, Briel to Sevilla. Tapikan. Here comes Russell. And there's a foul. First throw, sure ball. Second free throw. Pasok. Okay, last 2 minutes. Gomez. Oy, goes all the way. Short. Agaw ni Chief. Recover by Cruz. 2 points for Cruz. Oy, there's a foul. 2 free throws for Waki. First free throw is good. Ganda ng shooting 1 minute 35 seconds. Second throw is good. Here comes Cruz. Natapik ang bola. Back to number 23. Agawan sa bola. Nanalo si Cruz. Kicks out to Russell. 10 seconds to shoot. Cruz. Anong tawag? Line ball. Cruz to Sevilla for 2 points. Sevilla. Tara, si Cruz.
Russell, dinidepensahan. He gets the shot. 2 points for Russell. 40 seconds. Chief De Los Santos. Nagsisimula pa lang uminit si Chief. 2 points. 30 seconds.
Five-second violations. Uy, nice pass. 2 points for Waki. All na. 23 seconds.
Uy, ganda ng pasa. Euro step. Rebound pa rin. Russell, umikot. Out of bound.
Sevilla. 2 points for Sevilla. 6 seconds. For 3.